and I'm still at a loss. Yeah, just drop a comment on what you'd like to see go over the top of that hole, and we'll take suggestions. Right now, I think I'm just gonna pray for no rain. In today's episode, we are going to rewire a new box because we bought the wrong one. Welcome back to the channel. So apparently the outlet that we tried to wire up first is for a range. Either way, the cord that was on the dryer didn't fit it, so we went back and got a surface mount dryer outlet. So we are going to install this and see if we can't get our laundry done. Alright, so I know it's a mess and we've been living in it and trying to construct it at the same time, which is something I would strongly advise you not to do if you can get away with it. But we have got the wiring ran. We've got a stackable washer and dryer here. And we've got the 10-2 wiring, and please consult your own electrician before starting your project if you decide to do it yourself. But so we've got our wiring ran, and we're going to install the plug today. And this particular unit just has the dryer plug. There's nothing for the washing machine. So we've got this we installed a while back. You can go back and look at some of our other videos, and it's all live and got water in it. We just need some electricity for the dryer, and then tomorrow morning we have to run some tubing out the wall right there. But for now, we're gonna try to get the plug installed and get the dryer hooked up before I take off to work, and then I'll get the hole cut in the wall, which I'm not looking forward to tomorrow. Yeah, it's like a minor detail that some people overlook. Me. If I had $1 for everything that dropped, I would be debt free already. We got one more down here that I'm not sure how we're gonna get in, but alright, so that's that. It only took an hour longer than it was supposed to. So we're gonna leave a little excess wiring up here for in case we ever need to move this. Everybody's always like, your wiring's all wrong in your videos. So I'm gonna try to do the right thing here. Leave some extra wiring. This isn't necessarily meant to be a how-to video so much as it is like progress and what we're doing on our shed. So if this blows up, it's just something we're gonna have to live with or die with, but I feel like it's pretty solid. Well, it's making noise and we don't have any leaks on the floor. Our next step is going to be to run the dryer vent through that gap and out that wall. So I'm not excited about drilling a hole in this side of my house, but it has to be done. But today, I don't know if I'll make 2 videos out of this or 1, but either you're staying tuned for the next section or keep watching this video and you'll see us install the dryer. I keep trying to talk her into hanging our clothes on a clothesline temporarily because we're getting ready to leave in the RV for a week or 2, but I keep getting dirty looks, so I think I'm going to be forced to do this before we take off. So anyway, it's cooking, and alright, so we're going to slide this puppy back. I hope. And we're going to finish. Yeah, ignore that. If anybody has a more professional way of doing this, please let me know. But we got the pencil lines drawn there and there. We're gonna trim those up with some tin clips and get this installed so that the inside of the house doesn't heat up to 140 when you're doing laundry. Alright, we're back on the inside and we got this tube that's hopefully going to politely slide over the top of that. There we are. And this does extend, so we'll get that extended out, scoot the dryer back, and plug it in. I'll probably put some spray foam up in that gap a little bit and then caulk over the top of it. And I'll change those screws out with something a little more decorative, or at least paint them red. Well, we got it on there, and we got the little bird trap thing. We got that pushed back behind the wall there. We've got all of our hoses, and we're going to actually leave a gap right here when we put the wall up on the outside so that you can kind of reach behind here to check for leaks and what have you. Probably going to have an extra set of hands to install it because nothing. Well, we've got it hooked in. All of our water lines, drain line, the exhaust is ran through here, and this area here will eventually be a closet, so I wanted this more towards the back. Probably actually put a bracket around that to keep it secured back there, and then maybe put some framing around it. But all in all, except for that little 3-inch blunder, we are ready to do some laundry. I don't know if this video helped anybody out, but if it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And we will see you on our next, I don't know if you want to call it project, but whatever. Thanks for watching. So we're finishing up the dryer installation today, and I don't know if this is a how-to or a how-not-to. But this is what happens when you don't listen to your wife. And so I think I don't know if we needed one, but I think we're getting an extra electrical outlet right here. So it should look pretty nice.